Good morning, class. I know it's a little bit early, but are any of you guys hungry already? Because I am.
Yes,
Yeah?
teacher, we are.
Yes, I'm hungry.
I know we haven't had lunch yet, but what do you think we could do to help feed ourselves?
Make something?
Make something like make what?
Like eggs and
Sandwich.
Sandwich? Where else could we get food?
We could buy food like at McDonald's.
What are some things that we can buy there?
Happy Meal.
Happy Meals? Have you guys ever thought about some type of book maybe that could help us?
Oh, good
Oh,
idea.
yeah.
Do you guys know what type
Maybe
of book?
that
or no?
might help.
Yeah.
Maybe like a food book.
Food book? Let's see. I have a couple books here already. Let's see if any of these will be it. This one is called Z-Rex. Based on the cover, do you guys think this would help us?
No.
Why not? What's on the
'Cause
cover?
There's no pictures of food.
But what is here?
It's a
Dinosaur.
Is
dinosaur.
it dinosaur food?
No.
Let's look inside. Are there any pictures of food maybe?
No.
No, just I see only words.
Just a bunch of words?
Yes.
Let's see. Okay, so maybe not that book. Oh, let's look at this book. This one is called Physical Science. What kind of book does this look like?
A textbook.
Textbook?
Yes.
Do you think this might help us?
No, it
No.
looks like a science
You
book.
sure?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah.
No food.
See, no food. We have some
No
math,
food.
some science words in here.
No.
Maybe not. Let's see. I have one last book. Let's see if this one will work. This one says kid-friendly recipes. Do you think this might help us?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Why?
The pictures of food.
Pictures of
Yeah,
food,
I see like a cinnamon roll
cinnamon roll.
and raisins.
Raisins. And
What else? What else
bun.
also helped
And it
us?
says recipes.
Recipes, yeah. Okay. Now, let's go over what this book has. So this one, like you guys said, has the title, and we have pictures of
Food.
And the one thing that we know that this book is for a cookbook or for recipes is because it says recipes.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, another thing that a cookbook might have are some tips to help you, the kids, or maybe parents or teachers like me who want to cook.
Good idea.
And these are recipes. Each recipe has the title, ingredients, and then how to make the recipe.
Oh, and I also see the food pictures, teacher.
Yeah, the food pictures. What do you guys think of the food pictures so far? Is it
Yum.
making you hungry?
Yes, it
Yeah?
looks good.
Now let's see. Oh, look, we have an index. Do you guys know what an index is used for?
Not really,
No,
teacher.
not yet. Let's see. Oh, and here we have our story. What do you think that might be about? Who? About who?
Maybe the story about the person who wrote the book.
Maybe. You think maybe these two gals right here are the ones who wrote it?
Oh, maybe.
Maybe. Well, let's find out. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a recipe book. And I want you guys to go over it a little bit more and look at all the parts. And I want you guys to pick one recipe together, okay, in your groups.
Okay.
And then
Okay, teacher.
you guys are going to read out that recipe aloud, okay, to each other.
Okay. Which one should we pick?
The pictures look yummy. Cinnabonnies.
Yeah, raisin, waffle toast.
Pumpkin patch bread. Which recipe should we pick? What do you think about this one?
I like the raisin waffle toast.
That looks very yummy.
Yes. We should pick this one.
Teacher,
Do you guys have a question?
yes, we picked our recipe.
Okay.
How would you like us to read it?
Well, you guys can read it a few different ways. You guys can separate and each read a different part. For instance, maybe one of you guys can read the name of the recipe and then the ingredients up here. And then the other person can read the how-to-do list. Let's see. You guys
Okay,
wanna do
thank
that?
you.
Okay, you want to start?
Okay. raisin waffle toast, 3 eggs beaten, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons brown sugar packed with a 1/4 tea vanilla extract, 6 to 8 slices of sun-made cinnamon swirl raisin bread.
Okay, and then in a shallow bowl, whisk together eggs, milk, brown sugar, and vanilla. Dip bread slices.
Okay, once you guys are done reading it, we're going to go ahead and do the questions, okay?
Okay.
Have you guys finished it yet?
No, we're
okay.
almost done.
Almost done? Okay, finish up, and then once you guys are done, go ahead and look forward at me, okay?
Okay, thank you, teacher. Dip bread slices in egg mixture, coating both sides. Place bread slices, one at a time, on a heated non-stick waffle iron. Close lid and cook for 3 minutes or until golden. Makes 6 to 8 servings. We're done, teacher.
Okay, now we're going to go over some more themes about the cookbook. Now this is going to be our who, what, where, when, why, and how questions. We're going to answer those questions based on what we've seen so far in the cookbook already. Okay?
Okay.
So you guys are in your groups are each going to answer one together. Now one of you guys can read through the cookbook and the other one can write them. And then you guys can switch in between. But it's up to you guys, okay?
Okay.
Can I read?
Yes. I'll write it.
Okay. So, names. That'd be Doris and Grace. Who is the author?
Teacher,
Yeah.
where can we find the author's name if it's not in the front of the book?
Well, you know, if it's not on the front of the book, sometimes it'll be either on the second or third page. And if it's still not there, then maybe we have to look through the rest of it. So we have to see maybe it'll be on the back cover, maybe 2 pages in from the back. But you have to look through it. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Joanne and Vicky.
Joanne and Vicky. Okay. Next question.
Who is the target audience for this book? That would be us, kid friendly.
kids.
What is the book about? Friendly recipes.
Friendly recipes. And the next question, number 4.
Okay, did you guys already finish the questions?
No, teacher.
Not yet, teacher, but yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, so now that you guys have finished the questions, I'm going to go ahead and collect all the answers from each of the groups. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Your
you,
answers
teacher.
look so good. So now, as a class, we're going to go over all the questions real quick, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to see if you guys got some of the same answers that we did. So that some of the other groups did. So for number 1, who was the author? How many authors were there? There was 1, 2,
2.
2. Do you guys remember who?
Joanne.
Joanne. And
Vicky.
and Vicky. Who is the target audience?
Kids.
Kids. Can you guys think of someone else maybe who might? Kids, target
Maybe
Who
the
else?
parents
Parents.
or the you teacher.
Me, teacher too. Yes. So parents and teachers. So maybe adults in general. You think maybe they'll like these recipes?
Yes.
What
Because they're
about-
easy.
Yeah, they're easy. So what is the book itself about?
The recipes. Friendly recipes.
Recipes. What are the recipes? What are we gonna do with them? We're gonna make
We're gonna
Bake.
make what?
make food.
Food. Yep. where can you look up some of the specific items within the book? If we wanted to get to a specific recipe within there, what would we use?
The index.
The index, yeah. Okay. When was this book written? Did you guys find out?
No, we don't know. Not
Let's see. Let's go through. So, when we look at our book, we can see right here. Usually, it'll say copyright and then the year it was written. So this one was written in 2013. So that's how you'll know when a book is written, like we had gone over in one of the previous classes. So that way next time when we go, maybe we go through another cookbook or maybe another textbook, you guys can see when it was written.
Okay.
Okay, so let's put, it was written in 2013. Why do you think these pictures, some of the pictures were added? Let's see. Let's say pictures like this one in your recipe that you guys chose, this group. Why do you think they added a picture of waffles with whipped cream and strawberries?
So that we know that that's what we're going to make.
An example.
An example. When you guys see it, what do you guys feel?
Yummy.
Hungry, yummy. Looks delicious, right?
Yes.
And then, let's go. So let's put, makes us hungry, or it's used as an example. Now, how would you use this book in your life? Say you went home and you guys were talking with your parents and you guys see that they have a cookbook. What do you think they might use it for?
To make the food for us to eat.
Yeah. Do you think maybe some of your favorite recipes that you guys eat at home, they used a cookbook for?
Yes.
I think. What are some of your guys' favorite foods?
French toast.
French toast. Well, that's a good one. What about you guys?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay. So then we can use it to, what would we use it for in everyday life?
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We can use it to cook all of those, right?
Yes.
Cook. Okay, so now that we've gone over some of the parts of a cookbook and some of the things that we would use it for, you guys are going to break up from your groups and go your separate ways into your regular desks, and you guys are going to write a journal. And in this journal, I want you guys to cover how you guys would use a cookbook, why it would be used in the house, or by your parents, by me, by you guys, as well as how do you think the pictures help? Like, are they there just to look pretty, or maybe they're just an example of what it's supposed to look like, things like that, okay?
Okay, teacher.
So there you guys go. You guys can start writing.
Okay.